Today on Siege Off-Road, we're going to add some custom LED lighting to the rear of our Ram to make it see better at night. The factory reverse light bulbs in the Ram are dull yellow incandescent bulbs that were designed to be seen and not to see with, so today we're going to be installing these LED reverse light bulbs in our 2015 Ram. These LED reverse light bulbs are going to be direct fit replacements for the factory reverse light bulbs, and they feature 10 super bright LEDs putting out 410 lumens so you can actually see when you're backing up. For more information and pricing, click the link in the description down below. Now let's get to the install. Alright, installing these reverse light bulbs is pretty simple. The first thing you need to do is open up the tailgate. To remove the taillight, you need to remove these two T25 Torx screws right here. Once you get both screws out, pull on the taillight away from the truck to release it from its clips. This is your reverse light bulb right here. Twist it counterclockwise to remove it. Here's the factory bulb that is pretty much useless. Wiggle it out to remove it. And install your new LED bulb. Now if you go to install this and it doesn't turn on, simply pull it out, rotate it 180 degrees, and reinstall it. Get it into the housing, line up the two tabs, and then rotate it clockwise to lock it. Line up the two tabs on the side of the taillight and push it onto the truck, and then reinstall your two screws. All right, now we'll do a side-by-side comparison of the LED and the other incandescent bulb. Okay, we got this LED bulb installed and it's looking pretty good. It's so much brighter than the other one. We'll get that one installed and then our installation's done. Okay, we got our LED reverse lights installed in our 2015 Ram. The cool white looks so much better than the dull factory yellow, and they're a lot brighter too. They're definitely going to help out with backing up at night, and installing them super easy. It should only take about 10 to 15 minutes, and before you know it, you'll be heading off-road.